Let's be real. If you told me back in 2020 that my coolest online flex in 2025 would be a photo of myself as a tiny plastic toy, I would have laughed you out of the room. The idea sounds like something out of a quirky sci-fi movie, not real life. I'd have called you crazy and probably asked if you were joking. But here we are, September 14th, 2025. And the internet's latest obsession is turning everyone into collectible action figures, all thanks to the wild power of AI. It's like your childhood dream of being a G.I. Joe or Barbie. But now it's digital, instant, and honestly, it takes less time than picking a Netflix show to binge. The pace of AI is wild. One day it's writing your emails, the next it's making museum-worthy art, and now it's turning us into toys you can actually collect and show off online. And this isn't just for techies or the super online crowd. Your aunties, politicians, cricketers, and even your neighbor's dog have joined the craze. It's everywhere, and everyone's in on the fun. Suddenly, everyone's social feed is full of people shrunk down and boxed up like action figures, each one more creative and hilarious than the last. This isn't just a filter or a clever Photoshop trick, it's the Nano Banana Avatar trend, a quirky, unexpected AI discovery that's gone global and shows no sign of slowing down. It's hilarious, a little surreal, and honestly, it's proof that we'll always use tech to laugh at ourselves and connect in new, unexpected ways. This trend is different. It mixes nostalgia for the toys we grew up with and the cutting-edge magic of AI, creating something anyone can join in on, no matter their age or tech skills. The result? Personal, creative, and super shareable avatars that feel like real collectibles, each one as unique as the person it represents. In a world of fleeting content and endless scrolling, these avatars have a weird sense of permanence. They stick around, and people actually want to keep them. So, why is everyone obsessed with these tiny digital toys? What makes them so irresistible? And why can't we stop sharing them? Let's dive into the world of Nano Banana Avatars and see how a simple AI prompt took over the internet, sparking a viral sensation that's still growing. Buckle up. This is one of the internet's strangest, funniest, and most creative chapters yet. You won't want to miss how it all unfolded. Welcome to the age where your profile pic isn't just a selfie. It's a tiny plastic you, and the world can't get enough of it. So what's a Nano Banana Avatar? Imagine uploading your photo to an AI and out pops a hyper-realistic 1/7 scale figurine of you, complete with a toy box and a shiny acrylic stand. The name? Total accident. Early users typed Nano Banana into Google's Gemini AI Studio, and suddenly, the AI started cranking out these perfect toy versions. The phrase stuck, and now it's the official unofficial name of the trend. These aren't just cartoons, they're detailed, glossy, and look like high-end collectibles. The AI even puts your mini-me on a desk, next to a computer screen, as if it's showing off its own creation. The packaging is styled like a premium Japanese toy, making the illusion complete. It's more than a profile pic. It's a piece of generative art that taps into nostalgia and shows off AI's power, all because someone typed Nano Banana for fun, only on the internet. Trends need the right mix to go viral, and Nano Banana had it all. First, it's hilarious. Seeing yourself as a tiny action figure is instant comedy. It stands out in a sea of selfies, sparking curiosity and conversation. Second, it's made for sharing. The AI's images are perfect for profile pics and social feeds, so everyone wanted in. FOMO kicked in hard. When your friends and celebrities are all plastic toys, you have to join. Most importantly, it's easy. Anyone with a photo and a browser can make one, no tech skills needed. The trend exploded when politicians jumped in. Suddenly, even serious leaders were posting their toy avatars. That made headlines, memes, and a cultural moment. Nano Banana went from internet hobby to global phenomenon overnight. It's proof that the weirdest ideas spread the fastest, and this one was unstoppable. Want your own mini-me? You're just 5 minutes away from making it happen, and you don't need any fancy skills or expensive software. All you need is a photo of yourself and access to Google's Gemini AI Studio. No special equipment required. Step 1. Pick a clear, well-lit photo. No sunglasses or hats, and make sure your face is easy to see. Unless you want those accessories to be part of your toy forever, keep it simple. Step 2. Go to Gemini AI Studio, sign in with your Google account, and upload your chosen photo. Step 3. In the prompt box, paste this exact text. Create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the character in the picture, in a realistic style. The figurine is placed on a computer desk, just like a real collectible. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base for that authentic look. Next to it is a toy packaging box, designed in a style reminiscent of high-quality collectible figures. Hit generate, and let the AI do its magic. Wait a few seconds. The AI will spit out your Nano Banana avatar. Not perfect on the first try? Just hit generate again for a brand new version. Each one is unique. Tweak the prompt if you want to get creative. Add details like wearing a blue shirt, serious expression, or even holding a banana. Pick your favorite version and download it straight to your device. That's it. No Photoshop, no coding, no complicated steps. Just instant digital toy magic you can share with friends, set as your new profile pic, or use to join the latest online trend. It's really that easy. The hardest part? Deciding which awesome version you want to keep and show off. Welcome to the Nano Banana Club, where everyone gets to be a collectible. Sure, it's fun to see yourself as a toy, but this trend is more than just a quirky internet fad. It's a real-world demo of AI's creative power, unfolding right before our eyes. These playful avatars are just the tip of the iceberg, hinting at how technology is reshaping the way we see ourselves and interact with the digital world. Millions are using advanced AI, not for work, but for play, self-expression, and even to connect with others in new ways. It's become a social phenomenon, sparking conversations and creativity across the globe. It's a shift. AI is now a tool for creativity, not just productivity. People are experimenting, making art and telling stories, all with the help of intelligent algorithms. Meme culture used to be about Photoshop skills. Now, a simple prompt creates viral art in seconds. The barrier to entry has dropped, letting more voices join the creative conversation. It blurs the line between human and machine creativity. Who's the real artist? The collaboration between people and AI is opening up new forms of expression we've never seen before. Of course, there's a dark side. With every new tool, there are risks and unintended consequences. The same tech could be used for fake news, scams, or digital forgeries. It's easier than ever to create convincing fakes that can fool even the sharpest eyes. As AI gets better, we'll have to deal with new challenges around misinformation, security, and trust in what we see online. But there's a bright side. Creative tools are more accessible than ever. People from all walks of life can now participate in digital culture. Anyone can make digital art now. No expensive software or years of training required. The playing field is more level than ever before. The Nano Banana trend shows a future where imagination matters more than technical know-how. It's about what you dream up, not just what you can code. It's a glimpse of AI as our creative partner, helping us unlock new possibilities and reimagine what it means to be an artist in the digital age. The Nano Banana trend didn't just go viral. It went global, spreading faster than anyone could have predicted. In India, it exploded after celebrities and cricketers posted their avatars, turning it into a new kind of fan art that everyone wanted to try. WhatsApp groups swapped good morning messages for "here's me as a toy," and the laughter was contagious. The visual joke worked across languages and cultures, uniting people from Mumbai to Mizoram in a way few trends ever do. In Japan and South Korea, fans tweaked prompts to mimic famous collectible brands, making their own unique versions. In the West, it became a meme playground. Historical figures, cartoon characters, even presidents got the toy treatment and went viral. The trend showed how a silly AI quirk could become a shared global experience in just a matter of days. For a while, the Nano Banana avatar was a universal language, understood by everyone online. No matter where you were, everyone was in on the joke, sharing in the fun together. It was a rare, wholesome moment of internet unity, reminding us how connected we all can be. As 2025 wraps up, the Nano Banana trend will fade, but its impact will last. It brought generative AI into everyday life, making it playful and accessible. The trend tapped into nostalgia, personalization, and our need to connect. It's a reminder. Technology is a mirror for our quirks and creativity. We got powerful AI and used it to make action figures of ourselves. That's beautiful. The future? Even weirder, more interactive, and more AI-driven trends. Soon we might animate our avatars or interact with them in virtual worlds. The line between creator and consumer will blur as AI becomes our creative partner. If you haven't made your Nano Banana avatar yet, now's the time. It's a silly act, but it's your ticket to the next era of digital creativity. The future of the internet is being written in prompts, and right now, it's banana-shaped. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.